Alright, hey, good morning. Normally I'm not the guy that talks a lot in the morning. I'm driving to work. It's about 6:20, and yeah, still haven't figured out how to do this with the cameras. I installed one of my iFacs, so I can always reach like medical equipment behind the passenger seat. That makes it possible to clip the GoPro on it. It's freezing. it's freaking cold again. Last couple of days it was super mild and warm. Now it's going down below freezing again. Still no snow, which is weird. Dude, you should drive. Yeah, no, now he's driving. That's weird. People don't know how to drive. It's same as usual. And especially if it's early morning. So if you can see that on the camera, I don't think you can. The windshield was fogged up again. I just got rid of it with the windshield blower here. And yeah, now it's still pretty dark, so I don't know if this is more like a test drive with the darkness. I don't know if the GoPro regulates the ISO or just my camera does. But I think this camera is already totally overwhelmed with the darkness. Okay, I'll come over here. The good thing in the morning is everyone drives faster because they all want to go to work. So mostly mornings you don't have a lot of traffic. You don't stand a lot. It's not a long drive to work, but there's always a lot of cool things to see whenever I drive, and that's why I'm taking you with me. Yeah, I think you can still see that window is dirty. I don't know where the dirt comes from, but I have to clean it. So one of the good news is today my armrest will arrive. So I work today and tomorrow and the day after. I want to install the armrest. Maybe I can make it work. Still have to find out how to rip out this steel box in the middle. But I'm really excited because, like, even if you can see it now, I got my coffee mug inside the cup holder that is already installed in the Crown Vic. Yeah, I'm not trying to tailgate, but this guy won't let me pass him. We'll wait for now. The car is about, halfway warm. I mean, you should drive about 5 minutes at least to get the oil in the engine running. That's what I learned, and I kept doing this every day. Going slow, beginning, and later, if it's warm, you can drive faster. Okay, now we're good. I keep binge watching Crown Vic videos lately. It's terrible. I'm addicted. I've seen so many cool videos of people tuning their cars, especially with the Marty tune. And yeah, I think I'll get one day at least, and Marty tune this car because I want to get the best out of it. And just like make it faster. That's not what I'm intend to do. I just want to make it run as it should be, run perfectly. And yeah, I'm about to add one thing at a time. So every month I try to add something, and so you guys can keep watching my videos. I can enjoy driving this car. As soon it's getting warm. 2 days ago, when it was a little warmer, I was standing in car line again. The car started to overheat again. So yeah, I definitely need to put some money into the fan. Maybe I should do another video, because like until now my videos have not a lot of reach. That's okay, because like just starting off, how should anyone know about me? But I really need to check out which kind of fan this is. If you guys know, my first video tries to show it, because this video, this fan is an electric one. I don't know which one it is. It's an aftermarket part, so I'm not really sure. But maybe you guys know. I think I'm gonna bring it to a mechanic that is entrusted to me by my landlord. He's pretty good with cars, so he told me that's the only one he trusts. Because he's like me, he's from Europe, where we're used to a totally different service, and people taking a lot more care about cars than people in the US do. I don't mean it offending. I know here are a lot of car guys and car enthusiasts. I don't mean these people. I think these people sometimes know even more, because they have free hand doing everything they want on the cars. That's how you can learn a lot more. But laws in Germany or Europe, they're harder, they're crazier, so you have to make sure you have a decent car, otherwise they won't let you drive it. So, and that's something you don't see here. I mean, drive around South Carolina, drive around Florida, these people don't care. Their car's nearly falling apart, and they're still driving it, which is insane. But hey, that's the law, right? Cares. So yeah, my landlord told me that one guy is really good, because I've seen a couple of guys here, a couple of mechanics. Yeah, I don't think they all were really honest with me and told me the whole truth, or tried to fix the main problems. More like getting the money out of your pockets, and that's it. Yeah, I love this part here. It's the on-ramp. And you can go so fast, even accelerating, because now the on-ramp, it's all uphill. Now, I'm not accelerating a lot. Still, now I have to get past these guys. On this part of the track, there's a lot of cops. Even in the mornings, it's crazy. Because this is the connection to the airport. I mean, I'm driving, what is it, about 70 now? And I'm not the fastest, as you can see. So many people going faster, like this guy. That's just how they roll. For me as a German, it's always a little distracting to see that. It's like in Germany, whenever there's a speed limit, oh, you better drive underneath it. So you never know. They use radar traps all over the place, and they have cops standing all over the place. it's fucking crazy. And especially on the Autobahn, which is like the highway or interstate in the US, where you can as fast as you want on most of the parts. There's these undercover cops. If you're in Germany, look out for the BMWs. Mostly that. It's like black ones. Yeah, these guys, they love to get you. All they do is drive around on the Autobahn and give you tickets. That's it. Yeah, this track is pretty smooth. I wanted to film like a few different tracks. Soon I want to go over the off-road track again that I found. It's hard to find good tracks out here. Mostly it's like urban environment. It's a lot of city going on here. I think I'll have to drive out on the country again and check out places so I can show you, I'll make you cooler videos, because this is like, I know it's pretty boring. Yeah, we're about to come to the airport. I'm gonna stop filming there. It's getting a little longer, the video, so I'm trying to keep it around the 20 minutes marks, just to have a lot of videos to upload. Because like with our vlog, we fastly reached the amount of time you need to get the full potential of your YouTube account, and all of our videos were about 20 minutes long. So yeah, the more the people watch your videos, the better. But if I only have like a 3-minute video and get 50 views, yeah, I don't know. If I have a 20-minute video and get 50 views, and all you guys look at least half of it, I won. Because that's what I need to keep this channel improving. I haven't had my coffee yet, so that's one thing I do. I don't drink my coffee before I get to work. Yeah, changed my whole lifestyle lately. If you want to know more about this, yeah, let me know. Got a lot of tips for feeling better, living healthier, exclamation mark, whatever you understand with living healthier. I think it's a huge space to talk about it. So many people thinking things are healthy, but at least you have to listen on your own guts, and that's what I did. Found a way to feel really good. Okay, let's see. We're letting this truck driver in. This is something you do. Be friendly. I mean, truck drivers can be assholes sometimes, but always try to be understanding. They drive a huge truck. They can't go as fast, and you know, he wants to stay here. That's the toll road, so. Okay, we're here. Airport. Woo! Oh, fucking tired. This night was horrible. Yeah, but I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to installing the armrest. I'm gonna give you another video on that one. So keep tuned. Don't go away, because there's a lot of cool videos are to come. Just need the time to do so. Okay, let's go over this one. I like this one more. Okay, guys, and see you next time with the Crown Vic channel. And I found out there's another Crown Vic guy with over 1 million followers. I'm not trying to impersonate him or doing something to steal his viewers. Didn't know. I didn't check the name twice. Maybe in the future we're going to change it. But I think CrownRick is pretty funny. Okay, you see that guy is going fast. And it's like 25 here. It's going 45. I mean, you can do, but over here there's the police station, so you better not. There's the red light. That's my chance to put off the camera. Okay, see you next time. Bye.